Welcome you all. So we are here for the presentation of Ashraful Ulam Public Senior Secondary School presentation. Now yes, you all are seeing here basic structure of your website. Now what does your header part explains? Let me see. We are seeing your home tab, about us tab, academic tab, school tab, management tab, examination tab, FAQ, that is frequently asked questions tab, public relation tab, and context tab. So we are discussing about your home tab first. You are seeing this is the logo of Ashraful Ulam website. This logo is movable. That is, when the website loads, it goes from right to left and left to right. Now also here is a news update facility. You are seeing the logo is moving. As we go down, the logo will also move with the cursor. So this is a very good facility provided here, and it looks good because it is a new facility. Now with home tab we have provided a news updates panel. So whatever your news updates, that is your all news about school updates like exams, all updates like cultural fest, you can upload it here, and the students doesn't have to see the whole website. They can see all the news from news updates panel. Similarly by that, there is one more facility. You are seeing the photographs are really loading very nicely and quietly fast, and the user which is uses the website doesn't seems to provide a facility like that. Now we have provided a apply now section here for online admissions, and we have given a facility that admission is open here, so you can contact us and choose it. Now also there is a facility of campus tour. There is a campus tour. Anybody wants to know what is the school and how is the school going on, so he or she can does it from the school campus tab. Now in the home tab, we have discussed whatever all there is, and discussed about the facility of education, facility, central library, and video programs like that. Now move on to about us tab. In about us tab we have made it about APS, and there is a message facility from a chairperson, that is whosoever be the chairperson of your community or the principal, he or she can provide their messages in the chairperson's desk. Now vision and objective, here we have provided the vision and objective of the school. So what are the visions and what are the objectives of the school in future, we discussed it here. Like when we go to vision and objective, here we have provided the vision and objective column. So you can see it, vision and objective of your school, what are the missions of your school that in future your school wants to target it. Now again when we go to academic tab, you see the academic of APS. Then in students facility we have provided admission form and transfer certificate as you have required. Now in faculty we have recruitment form and timetable of your school and college. And in syllabus tab we have provided the syllabus of various classes. And in results panel we have provided the results. Now in school we have discussed about facilities, gallery, and school rules, whatever the facilities provided by our school, and whatever will be your pictures or the other things. Now in school rules we have divided the school rules, that is what is uniform, what type of uniform is there, school time, and etc. We have discussed it here. Now in management tab we have discussed about the management, and in examination tab we have a timetable division. We have divided the timetable in different classes and according to different examinations. Then in a result panel we have upload a online result, so that a student, he or she can only see the result of him or her. Now in FAQ, that is frequently asked question, we have provided some questions like whatever be the questions any user want to know. For example, how can I have the information about Ashraful Ulam Public Senior Secondary School faculty and staff? So you can provide it from the info@aups.ac.in, or whether visit of campus or for visitors permitted or not. So we have provided here the question and answers. Briefly we will discuss the question and answers, which is necessary quite nicely. And these are necessary for today's, because everybody wants to know what college, what school or college it is, and what are the different facilities. Now In public relation, if you will provide us what are your community research and what are the your whatever we discussed here, like you have any if you have if you have any prospectus, photo gallery, useful links and student login panel, this is the publication. Also we have provided if there is any parties, like if you have any provided communist party, like you, that is for Islam and Hindu religion or something other you want to know about your public relations, like that. And in contact us tab we have provided the contact information of the school, that is here. This is your school information. Also we have discussed different types of panels like Facebook page and Gmail and Twitter page. So anybody, if he or she wants to go for the Facebook, or anybody he or she wants to for the Gmail link, he or she can get. And we have also provided a webmail server, so that any webmail server, so that anybody can use the webmail server and show it to the email part. And this is your admin panel also. When we click it, here we goes for the username and password, and this is your username, and password is also 123. And when we go to sign in up, so here is your admin panel. So it is very quite nicely. Now what you see is this is your student information page. Oh sorry, the website is still. Now this is your website data page, student info and sign in information. So that is your, we go to the sign in page. This is your home page, this is your management and students, teacher, human, attendance, examination system, home tab, management tab, student, teacher, human, attendance and examination library. So this is your admin panel. So this is your admin panel, where your data entry operator or the administrator of this website can put the information here for the management, for the student, for the teachers, for the humans, he or she, anybody want to interact, and attendance of the student or teacher, examination system or library updates. So this is your completely admin login panel. So when now we are going to log out, there is also a facility like we cannot hack it, or for the security reasons there is no type of SQL injections which are make to use of faults of the system, you know.